Hello dear friends, wonderful atmosphere. Just see on my back, very rainy season in Rajasthan, and I am telling you today how you can inspire others. With every task in your hand, you can inspire people to the maximum limit. Would you like to do it? If you say yes, then definitely we have to work hard to bring our own branding. And branding can be done only with hard work, rituals, love to each other, and team spirit. My dear friends, we have to inspire others with our deeds. When you see the story of a successful person, then you feel, yes, we can do it. And definitely, that is the turning point on one's life. If you have done this with few people, definitely you are motivational personality. How we can do it? We can do it with our best love to each other, teach each other. And you know, my friends, in COVID-19, in last 3-4 months, everybody has learned what to do and what not to do. What governments can do more than this? They have educated us. If we have to live easily, happily for our family and society, then we have to take care for all these things. And in this time, friends, I tell you that we are taking lot of care for our persons. People are taking this time very cautiously, very carefully. They are working from home. They are not able to move from one place to other. Luckily in India, we are in some better condition than others. But seeing to the population we have to take much more care. I think Bombay, Delhi and some places still giving more than expected cases every day. In this type of atmosphere, if you give your story, if you give some helping hand to someone, definitely that is going to create the history. So dear friends, we have to help each other by your deeds. Educate someone. Don't pull leg. Better you give hand shake so that one can get support from your experience. For this, you will have to do without selfish motive some benefit to the others. You may be expert in some tasks, so you can give them helping hand. Like you can give them how to become author tips, how to give best yoga tips, fitness tips, motivational tips, English speaking courses, podcasting tips, and many more. So guys, everyone is supported by other one. So help each other, pass this tough time, and better future we have to make for our coming generations. If you liked this video, then message this, share this, subscribe this message, and work hard for All the best. Thank you very much.